Hey, welcome back to Rosco Reviews. I've just done a new faucet install in my laundry room. If you'd like to look at this faucet, you can find that video right up here in the upper right hand corner. In this video, I'm going to be plugging up the extra sprayer hole that is in the side of this sink. So if you've gone to a single hole faucet in a 3-hole setup, then you may have extra holes. Or if you've gone to a faucet that has a pull down sprayer like this and you have that extra sprayer hole over there on the right, then this is what you need to fix that. I will put a link for these down below. This is a simple sinkhole cover. This one is in a brushed nickel, but they do come in different colors if your faucet's not a stainless steel. To install this, what you're going to do is you'll take the nut off the back. There's a rubber gasket on the back of this, so you won't need to silicone it. You just need to make sure that it has that rubber gasket piece still in there. You'll drop it in that extra hole. And then we'll go down underneath and we'll screw on the nut on the bottom. With that plug installed, it'll look something like this. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.